Welcome to Rani's Art and Craft, and in today's video we are going to make magic wand. So I have took a stick type of something. I don't know what's this called in English, but you can take a stick. It's not a really a stick, but you can take a stick also. I don't have a stick, so I took this one. If you know the name, then comment below now. You can take a stick also, and now cover it with decorative sellotape, pink color, any color. And don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and comment your suggestions or anything about this video. Also follow my sister on Instagram, the links are given in the description box. And also guys, after 1000 subscribers I will be doing that my face sale video, and after 1 lakh subscribers I will be doing my Q&A part 2 with face. If you haven't seen Q&A part 1, and click at the link in the description box. And also after 1 million subscribers I will be doing that how I edit my videos. I have created some playlists also. If you haven't seen them, then you can check them out in the description box below. And yes guys, this magic wand will not be doing real magic, but as you can use it for playing as a toy. Now take your scissors and any color sheet and cut out a star. So I took white color sheet, you can take any color, and homemade color paper link in description, and also homemade scissors link in description. And guys, I don't know to draw stars perfectly. If you know, then you can cut it out nicely. I don't know, that's why I'm cutting like this. I don't know why. Okay, whatever. And I know that you guys will be doing it nicely. Okay, so let us continue. Okay guys, so now we will stick the star in our magic, means not the wand, means the stick. So guys, you can use hot glue for sticking, and I don't think it will get stick with fairy gum, so I'm using a sellotape. If you have a sellotape, it's good, you can do with sellotape only, and if you have hot glue, you can do with that one also. Okay, so let's do magic. Means guys, I will do just as a toy, you can say I'm just playing as a toy. Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching, thanks for your help and support. Please keep supporting.